Guys, in this video I will show you how to connect your iPhone to PC or laptop with iTunes. The advantage of this program, it's fast and has a very easy user interface, and it's from Apple company. So before starting, for more content, don't forget to like and subscribe to support me. Let's do this. To start, you need to download the iTunes program. For this, you can download from the Apple website or Microsoft Store. Which do you want? After downloading, you should install the program. Open the iTunes. Okay, first step, you need to sign in iTunes with your Apple ID. Click on Account and click on Sign In. Write your Apple ID and your password. If you don't have Apple ID, you can create here. Click on Sign In. Wait a minute. Now you are signing in iTunes. The next step, you need to connect the iPhone to your computer or laptop with a cable. After that, you have to enter your passcode on your iPhone to trust to access. Okay, you must wait to syncing. It has 4 parts for syncing. If you click on the phone icon, you can see your phone information such as capacity, phone number, serial number, and whether your iPhone is up to date or no. The next part is for backups. You can choose iCloud or this computer for backup your phone. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content and like to support me. You can find a lot of content about Android, iOS, iPhone, PC, WhatsApp, Telegram, and the other app in my channel. Okay, after syncing your phone to PC, for backupping, you have 2 options, iCloud or this computer. Click on this computer and click on Backup Now. You have 2 options, encrypt backups or don't encrypt. Choose encrypt, enter a password for your backup, Now your phone is backing up. As you can see. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. If it's useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to support me. Thank you.